What if you could get paid $2 for watching a video and pressing a button? What if you could do it eternally and make somewhere between $10 and $200? The best part is that all you need to get started is a smartphone or a PC. You'll learn how to generate money online in minutes, withdraw money via PayPal, bank transfer, Bitcoin, Paytm, Pioneer, and other services in today's video. It may be utilized from anywhere in the world because it is a completely free method, and bear in mind that the more apps you use, the more money you will make. So make sure to read all the way to the end to discover about these 5 websites and apps that can help you earn money. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We love to hear from you. The first website where I'd like to teach you how to make money online by watching videos is right here in front of your eyes. This software is accessible for free in the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store, and it is available worldwide. Take a peek at this website, which has been up and running since 2012. However, we'll just focus on watching money-making films in this video because it's the quickest, easiest, and highest-paying job on this website. Simply enter your email address below and click Sign Up Now to become a member. This can be done using your phone or computer. Now, if you pay close attention, I'll log into my account and demonstrate precisely how I'm going it before you attempt it for yourself. I'm still making money every day, and all I have to do is leave the video playing in the background, which I do by letting it run on its own. I'm not required to touch it, nor am I required to watch the video. To generate money passively, all I have to do is leave it running in the background. As you can see, I still have a lot of points, so I'll show you how I can use them to get money. Now, for example, I'll choose cash and you'll see PayPal. Simply click on any amount you want. And please double check your email address with your PayPal account once you made a withdrawal. So, I'll just buy the price. Click here and then confirm my password before submitting. After the price has been processed, wait a few moments for it to be delivered to your PayPal account. Withdrawing your funds is thus a straightforward procedure. Now, when you go to the Offers section, click on Offers, and you'll see a number of well-known firms, such as one that allows you to earn money by watching videos. As you can see, every time you reach 1,000 points, you will receive $5. Okay, now I'll tell you about an extra approach you can utilize. You can utilize various computers or mobile devices to open multiple browser tabs and watch multiple videos at the same time if you have a lot of them. Now, I usually open 3 or 4 tabs in Google Chrome and leave the movie playing in the background while I do other things because the video is still playing and I can continue to earn money quietly. And you know how quickly money adds up. The nicest aspect that it's fully passive in the sense that I don't have to do any manual labor, and it doesn't require any prior knowledge to simply press play and watch a video. Now, if you stick with me until the conclusion, I'll show you a couple more websites and programs that, when combined, can help you make double, triple, or quadruple the money you're making now, even faster. But before we go on to the next app, this one called Feature Points. Now you may generate money online by following my advice. If you like this video, please share it with your friends by liking and sharing it. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe using the red button and leave a comment below. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and leave a comment below if you enjoyed it. That'll be fantastic. If you get 1,000 comments on this video saying, "I'll make money in 2022, we'll put out a terrific new video next week that might be even amazing than this one, showing you how to make money doing easy things like this. So, if this video gets 2,222 likes, we'll produce a brand new video that's possibly even wilder than this one. So, with everything out of the way, it's time to get back to work and earn some money. So, the name of our second app is APPTRAILERS. You can download it to your iPhone or Android phone and use it to do things like play games, take surveys, and watch videos. The point system that they're using here is Nana's Point. You may basically exchange your Nana points for cash. As you can see, you can earn Nana, which you can then convert and cash out using a variety of options like as PayPal, Skrill, Pioneer, bank transfer, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and others. Participating in the referral program can also earn you money. You can click this link to be sent to a website where you can fill out your information and sign up. It's actually rather simple, and you can post the code on social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Simply share this with your friends to produce one additional source of revenue while watching the video to generate the other. Now, let's look at the third website, MYPOINTS, which I like because they have a $10 welcome incentive. Who doesn't like the idea that you get a $10 welcome bonus straight away when you sign up for free? This is truly amazing, and all you have to do is enter your email address and password, then click the Join Now button. There are a range of ways to make money on this app once again. One of these methods is to watch videos. Let me now demonstrate app number 4, which is APPTRAILERS. This app has been quite popular for a long time. They are always upgrading and releasing new versions. And if you're reading this right now, you should be thrilled since they've just released a new update that allows you to earn money while watching videos. This is excellent because the previous version only offered a tiny sum of money. They're going to pay you a lot more money right now if you use the latest version. Now, I propose that you watch at least 3 to 5 videos at once to maximize your earnings in a shorter length of time. Finally, examine this rating and reviews, which is an excellent score considering that many apps only receive 3 stars and this one receives more. The users have provided a lot of positive feedback. So here's the last app, Creations Reward, which has a $5 sign-up incentive. Once again, you can get free gift cards and cash by simply watching videos on these apps. But one thing I'd want to point out is that this app has been available since 2000, which is a long time, and they've been rewarding its users for 22 years. You can take paid surveys, watch movies, access websites, purchase online, fulfill deals, and refer friends and family to earn money. Now, I spend the most of my time viewing videos and accessing websites on occasion. Even if you have no prior experience, they're all quite basic. However, one word of caution, do not attempt to finish the survey on this website because it pays a little and you will be wasting your time. I tried it myself, so simply focus on watching movies, and if you enjoy it, I recommend that you complete several offers related to visiting and browsing websites to earn more money. There are a lot of different large and well-known companies in one single app, so make sure to click that to receive your daily bonuses. They provide you with a bonus extra money every time or every morning you log into your dashboard, so make sure to log in every day to claim those bonuses. If you do this for 30 days in a row for 1 month, they will send you a lot more videos to watch, allowing you to earn even more bonuses money. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video and I'll see you there.